The lens technique has been well developed for centuries, offering powerful imaging functionalities such as microscope, telescope, and spectroscope. Nevertheless, the ever-growing requirements are still urging further enhanced imaging capabilities and upgraded devices that are more compact for convenience. Metamaterial, as a fascinating concept, has inspired unprecedented new explorations in physics, material science, and optics, not only in fundamental research, but also for novel applications. Along with the imaging topic, this article reviews the progresses of flat lens as an important branch of metamaterials, covering the superlens, metalens, and multilevel diffractive lens. Numerous efforts have been dedicated to areas ranging from the new fascinating physics to feasible applications. This review provides a clear picture of flat lens evolution, where the relation between the superlens and the metalens will be particularly addressed. Finally, the application scenarios that favor the ultrathin lens technique will be emphatically discussed with respect to possible revolutionary imaging devices.